Hey boo hey, congratulations on waking up this morning, you guys. Today's video is a new wig video featuring this LFW006 styling wig by Shake and Go. I know you guys have been seeing this wig on me in my vlogs, and I'm here to bring the video to you guys. So this is what the wig looked like in the pack. Taking it out of the pack, it was packaged real tightly, and getting it out, child, that was a whole battle in and of itself, but it came out looking so pretty. So this is me taking it out of the package and struggling to take it out of the package. I was so excited for this hair, y'all, but let's see me put it on. All right, you guys, so this is what the wig is. After taking it out of the pack and brushing her out, I just used my big bristle brush and I brushed out the waves and the crimps. I accidentally ripped the lace when taking it out of the pack, so be very careful with this wig because the lace is very easy to tear. I don't think I'm gonna make this into a full lace front. I think I just want to cut the lace, honestly, truthfully, and just apply it, and then we can talk about the specs. So it has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and it also has adjustable straps. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put her on my head now. Okay, she's kind of not big head friendly. Yeah, she's kind of not big head friendly, but it's fine. So if your head is bigger than mine, I wouldn't suggest this wig for you, but if your head is like my size or smaller, this hair will work for you. So I'm just trying to like position her. Let's see what she looks like. Okay, kind of make her into a side part. Which I wasn't trying to do. So you just want to adjust her as well as you can, and then hook the combs here, hook the comb there, and I'm gonna need to cut the remainder lace since I'm not making this into like a frontal or like a lace front, like a full lace front. If y'all see me looking down here, I have my monitor right there, like my makeshift monitor down there, to help me see what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna pull the lace down and cut it as well as possible. The thing is, because I tore this side off, I kind of have to match the energy that's on this torn side on this side. So I'm gonna go ahead and take her back. She's so pretty. Do y'all see the luster? I went with color number 1, and because I haven't been jet black in so long, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut. They do come with baby hairs in the front, so if you want to lay your baby hairs, I suggest being very careful and not cut off the baby hairs. So I like to cut as close to the lace as I possibly can. See, this is what I'm talking about. This lace is so easy to tear. So I start from like the ear tab place and then just like go up and do like a zigzag cut. Try not to go into your real hair. Okay, there's that. And then I'm gonna bring this part up So I still have this little bit of lace left over that I definitely need to get rid of. Oh geez, this lace doesn't want to go. So there's this last little tiny piece that just refuses to leave. So I'm trying to get her to go away. You want to make sure that you like are constantly adjusting the way to fit your head how you want it to. I don't want my like lace to come all the way down, but baby, I need it to be somewhat okay. You also want to go back in with your brush after you cut the lace to like brush out any excess hair that might be like free falling or just like loose, because after you cut the lace, the front strands or like several strands like you see here of hair just start falling out, and they become so loose, and you don't want that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and gather this. And like I said, this hair does come with baby hairs, so if you wanted to add some baby hairs to the front, you could, or if you don't have to. I personally, at least for today, don't want to. This is such a simple wig to put on. I prefer wigs that are simple to put on, because laying lace is just, it's a lot of work. So yeah, I have been wearing this wig without cutting off the lace. If you watch my vlogs, or if you watched anything like all my videos previous to this, I have been wearing this wig because I just couldn't wait to film it, and I needed some things, but I need to get my whole setup together. A lot was going on, but I just decided I wasn't gonna wait anymore. I was just gonna do it simple. I wasn't gonna fully lay it like the way that I normally do. So I do have experience with the hair to know this hair is really great. It's just, it gets matted easily, so you're gonna have to like brush it often. Like if you see the ends here, and I've only been wearing it for like a week, and the ends are like getting like that, but it's synthetic hair, so don't expect much. But besides that, it's easy to brush though, because once you gather it to the front, you can brush it easily. The crimps are so pretty. No matter how much I brush it out, it still bounces back and looks really cute and really good. I get a lot of compliments on the curl pattern and everything. It's simple and easy to put on. It fits my head. Again, if it's big, if your head is bigger than mine, then it may not work for you, but I know for my head shape it works pretty fine. It feels really snug, it feels comfortable. I don't feel like loose tracks in it. Like when I put my hand on my hair or through my hair, I don't feel loose tracks. The parting space is pretty decent. It's like pretty long, honestly. It's pretty far back. I just need like my Ebin spray to spray in the middle to make it a little bit more realistic, and maybe like a little baby hair swoop right here just to like have the hair coming more so from my widow's peak. But besides that, this hair is so easy and simple to put on. This is definitely the best beginner friendly, like cute everyday wig. I wear this every day to work. I was wearing it every day to work, but having like a headscarf to hide the lace, so you know the general public wasn't seeing that. But yeah, you can wear it with a headscarf. You can, here I'll show you guys. I have my gold headscarf right here. This is the one I wore today to go to work, and it's a cute look. You just tie it on and you throw some hoops on. Your makeup is done, and there you go. A whole new look, a whole new vibe. I hate when hair gets in my mouth. But besides that, it's easy to run your hand through. It feels really good. It feels really soft. It feels coarse, like yucky texture hair, but it's not like to the point where it's like, oh, I can't touch this anymore. Oh, like, you know, I definitely think this hair would be good with Revivable. If you want kind of hair that can revive, you can definitely revive synthetic hair. So if this is definitely like a good staple wig that I feel like everyone needs, just to be able to change up your style, or if you're in between styles and you need something quick to put on, this is the wig for that. This is the wig to get you through the week or 2 weeks or something of that nature. So then that way you're not like walking around looking like your husband died and your village doesn't want to take care of you. You know, you don't want to look like that. You don't want to look like you're struggling. Even if you are, you got to fake it till you make it. And this wig would definitely help you to fake it till you make it. So yeah, I definitely love her. I think she's so cute. I think she's going to be like my filming wig, because I was thinking about it. I was like, I think she would be a good filming wig. Just something cute that I can throw on. It does shed a lot. See, all this shedding after cutting the lace is just, it's just shedding. It's shedding. That's the only downfall. So the downfalls, the cons I would say is it mats kind of easily, and after you cut the lace, it sheds a lot faster. But it is synthetic hair, so you really can't expect much. I think I got this hair for like $30 or $32, something like that, which is more than what I usually pay for a lot of my other synthetic wigs, but it's still affordable. And yeah, so the pros, it's beautiful, it's quick, it's easy to put on, it's multi-dimensional, the style is amazing. It can go for dress down, it can go for casual, it can go for super dressy. It's definitely top tier. If your head size is like small to medium, it definitely will fit it. But if your head size is bigger than medium, bigger than the average, it won't fit your head, unfortunately. I'm sorry. But yeah, that's it for this wig. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely have another wig video coming for you guys. You know, I've been black for a week, y'all, so y'all know I have to go back and get my blonde back because it's fall. It's about to be fall. So please, I miss my blonde. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.